The proposed talk between Manipur Valley civil society organizations and Ministry of Home Affairs aimed at discussing a resolution to the ongoing conflict has been postponed. According to reports received by SKTV from CSO leaders, the talk was scheduled to take place today. However, the leaders informed the authorities that they would boycott the meeting, expressing dissatisfaction with the government's actions. The ministry also informed that the meeting is rescheduled for May 27 and urged the leaders to attend the meeting. The CSO leaders emphasized that they had urged the ministry to involve a third party in its dialogue with Kuki CSOs. They also expressed disappointment over ministry's inaction against Kuki CSO leaders who refused to sign the 6-point resolution agreed upon during the initial talks between the CSOs on April 5. The leaders further expressed that there is no meaning in representing the people of Manipur in a dialogue as the ministry failed to take action.